Hi, we're Juniper Tar. This is a song called Black Pain Tea, and you're tuned in to on Tap Milwaukee. At the end of the story, with an ending revealed, took the shift from the old guard, 'cause this building's not sealed. The figures passing into corners that one hits the light, a scene that's dark and narrow. When the pilot's in flight, when we get through the story, to meet a friend and a ghost, Billy meet with a head nod, despite the stain varnished toe. That's when it's hardly a sibling or a backseated guy. We saw that scene at the wedding